Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Kendamil oatmeal. First, gather your essential ingredients: Kendamil formula, baby oatmeal, and fresh water. It is crucial to ensure all your feeding equipment, including the bowl and spoon, is completely clean and ready for use. This initial preparation step sets the foundation for a safe and nutritious meal for your little one, ensuring everything is hygienic and prepared correctly before you begin mixing. Next, let's combine the dry and wet ingredients. Carefully measure 1 level tablespoon of your chosen baby oatmeal into the clean bowl. Then, add 2 level tablespoons of warm, previously boiled water. It is important to use warm water to help the oatmeal dissolve smoothly. Stir the mixture thoroughly with your spoon until you achieve a perfectly smooth and lump-free paste, ready for the next step. Now, it is time to incorporate the Kendamil formula. First, prepare your Kendamil formula exactly as directed on its packaging, ensuring the correct water-to-powder ratio. Once prepared, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this liquid formula directly into your oatmeal mixture. Stir everything together very well until the formula is completely and evenly combined, creating a creamy and nutritious meal for your baby. Finally, let's talk about serving and safety. Before offering the oatmeal to your baby, always check its temperature to ensure it is comfortably warm, not hot. Serve the freshly prepared oatmeal immediately to maintain its nutritional value and freshness. For your baby's safety, any uneaten portions should be discarded within 1 hour of preparation. This ensures your little one enjoys a safe, delicious, and wholesome meal every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.